In this video, we are going to design an affiliate marketing flyer, a very beautiful one, just like the one you're seeing on your screen. This particular flyer, I'm going to show you how you can design it on Pixel Lab. So if you watch this video from now till the end, you are going to learn step by step how to make these professional flyers, and then you can also use this as a guide to design other types of flyers in the future. So let us get started. By the way, if this is your first time watching a tutorial like this, I want you to know that this application you're seeing is called Pixel Lab. As you can see it is a free graphic design application for designing, and you can get this for free on Google Play Store, and then you can use it to make almost any design that you want. So let us get started right now. So the first thing I want to do is to resize my canvas, because no, I don't think I need to resize it. I think perfect square is fine. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to change my background, to work on my background. So I'm going to click on this icon right here, and then I'm going to click on color. Then I'm going to click on gradient. Then I'll click on this plus sign, and then I'll have this. So now I want to create a blue background, but I don't want it to be a plain blue background. I want to make it a gradient. I will explain. Now, you see this, I'm going to click on this, click on color, and then I'll select blue. So this is the color chart. First of all, I'm going to drag this to where I have my blue shade. Then this, I'll make sure it's here. This will be here. Then this, then I can use this to choose my blue color. So this is where you monitor the shade of the color at the top of your screen right here. You can see it's a very sharp blue, but that's not what I want. I want something like this. Then exactly, this is what I want. Oh, let's do this again. So this is what I want, and I'll click OK. So I have my blue right here. So this part will still be blue, but a different shade of blue. So I'm going to click on this, click on color, and then I'll bring this to this point, and I'll click OK. So you can see the blue I have right here. Then I'll click OK, and boom, I have this beautiful shade of blue. As you can see, the next thing I want to do now is to insert my image. So I'll click on the plus sign here, click on from gallery. Then right now I can select my image. So I'll be using the image of this person for this tutorial, for the flyer. So basically this is the owner of the flyer, is a young affiliate marketer. So I'm actually designing this flyer for him. He's my client, so I decided I was going to make this a tutorial. I will use this opportunity to make it a tutorial. So right now I'm going to adjust the image closely. Yeah, just like this. Then I'm going to click on this, scroll to where I have color filter. I'll click on color filter, and then I'll reduce the saturation a bit right there. I'll increase the contrast, very important, I do that. Then I'll decrease the brightness a bit, decrease the saturation. So right now I have this right here. Then I can lock it up. As you can see. So the next thing I want to do is to click on the plus sign again, go to from gallery, and then I'm going to place like an element behind the image, just something to give the design more flesh, more life. So I'm going to use I'm looking for something cool. Now, if you need materials for your design, you can download anything you need on freepik.com. That's where I download all my images and stuff. So I'm going to insert this right here. As you can see, I'm going to insert this, but first of all, I'll change the color. I'll go to color filter to adjust the color a bit. Yes, I'll adjust it to this. And then I'll just place it behind the image. To place it behind, click on this to back. It goes behind, as you can see. Then I can decide to add some shadow to the image. I'll scroll to where I have shadow, and then I'll just add some shadow behind. Boom, as you can see. Then right now I can just click on shape. I'll click on shape, and then I would use this radius to make the edges curved, not sharp. And then I'm just going to place this I'll place this right here or here, I think. And then I'll change the font to blue, and I can scroll here, go to capacity. I'll reduce the capacity to like let's say 50 is fine. Then I'll scroll, I'll add inner shadow to it, make my inner shadow white. Yeah, so I'll have this here, and then I'm gonna type in the name. So his name is Uche Maduka. I'm gonna type in Uche Maduka. I'll change the font type to this. Yeah, so I have this right here. Then I'm going to type in another text. I'm going to put affiliate marketer. I'll place this at the bottom, just below the name. I'll change the font as well to maybe this or this. Yeah, perfect. So I'm just gonna use this tool to position it at the bottom, then position this name as well. So we have this right here. Then right now I'm going to add like some shadow to blend my image and stuff. So I'll click on shape, I'll go to gradient, I'll click on the plus sign. This would be black, the same way we chose the gradient initially, but this time this is black and this would be transparent. To put a transparent color, this would be dragged to this point, this would be dragged to this point, then click OK, then this is what you have. Easy. Then I'm going to place this right here, as you can see. Exactly. Then I'll make sure I bring these things to the front. because I don't want that shadow to be in front of them. By the way, I know you're watching this tutorial right now, and if you think that you want to learn personally from me, aside from just watching my YouTube videos, you want to learn one-on-one with me, all you have to do is get my course. My course is just $10, very affordable. All you have to do is get my course. There's a link in the comment, in the pinned comment, and then there's a link in the video description. Click on it, text me, and I'll respond to you and tell you how you can pay for the course and start learning from me right away. Anyway, let us continue. The next thing I want to do right now is to insert the text, for this flyer. So I'm going to start with let me start with start your I want to type in start your online business, but I can't just type everything at once because I'm using different fonts and different sizes for all of them for this text. So I'll type start your first, and then I'll go to fonts and I'll choose a font for this. So I could choose something like this. Exactly. I could choose this. Then I'll click copy to duplicate it. I'll click edit. Then I'll type in online. Then I'll make sure this is a thicker font. Like I'll use this. Then I'll duplicate it and type in business. Like this. As you can see, start your online business. So I could decide not to make these caps in capital letter. Yeah, I think it's better this way. As you can see, I'll place this properly at the top. Exactly, just like this. Then I could change this again to another font. Let me see if I could find something better. Choosing a font sometimes can be like the most difficult aspect of designing. So let's see, maybe this works. Maybe this would work. Yeah. Okay. I think we should use the previous font here. Let's use this font. Then I'll just place this here. I'm trying to get the right size and the perfect position to place it. Okay. Cool. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to change the color of my text. So I'll click on this, go to color, go to gradient, go to the plus sign, and I'm going to make a gradient of white. Well, no white. Yeah, white really, and a shade of, light blue. So then I'll choose this. So I'm going to make it like this. Yeah, reduces. So I'm trying to make sure. Exactly. So this is what I want. And then I can add some shadow behind my text. Yeah, I'll reduce the capacity of the shadow. I would adjust it with this. I reduce the blur radius. Perfect. I'll do the same thing right here. Boom. So I have this. Then I will just click on another shape. This time I'll make this I'll use this blue, just make it this blue. But point is, I'll scroll to where I have capacity, reduce the capacity a lot. Yeah, reduce the capacity a lot, and I'll just place it behind the back. Exactly. I'll just place it behind right there. Start your online business, and then now let's type in a subtext. Let's say a subtitle. Let's say here's an opportunity for you to start your own profitable online business with just your smartphone and an internet connection. I'm going to reduce the size, obviously, and I think I'll change the font to as well. Then I'll click on this fonts, go to fonts, click on this. Could use this one. I could use this font, or I could change the font to something else. I could use maybe this one. Yeah, I think this is perfect. And I'm going to place this right here. Right here. Then I'm going to type put this shape as a line right here. Going to put this. Exactly. Now this is coming together, isn't it? It's coming to life a bit, as you can see. So I'm going to add noise. I'll click on noise, add noise to the background, then reduce it. So this does not make the blue too shiny and stuff. You feel me? Yeah, so moving on. coming. Okay, moving on, I think I'll add some text. I'll click on text, and then I'll say you don't need any investment or capital or huge capital. You don't need a degree, you don't need a college, you don't need a university degree. You don't need a ton of experience. You don't need to refer anybody. Affiliate marketing is also like a referral, so let me not put that. I could say you don't need to you don't need to work for anybody, any company. You don't need to work for any company. Yeah, and then I'll reduce the size. Then I could place this correct icon. I'll change the font type. Obviously, I need to change it to this, and then I'll make it bold. Yeah, I think this works. But then I'm going to insert a shape, choose this gradient that I used initially. Exactly. Then I'll come here and add this. Exactly. Then I'm going to put this in front like this. Yeah, and then change this color to blue. Exactly. So here we go. We have this. Then the next I'm just gonna put is get training for free. I'll use this font. I think I'll use this, yeah. Get training, and then I'll type in for free. I'll change it to this. And then I'll put send a WhatsApp message. send WhatsApp message like this. Then I'll put the number of the affiliate marketer, Uche. I'll change this font type to this. Yeah. Send WhatsApp message. I'm coming. I would insert the number now. I will duplicate this to put his number. I'll increase the size a bit. Yeah. And of course, I'm going to duplicate this and use place number front. I'll change the font of the number. I need it to be bold. You understand? So I'll use this one. Yeah, exactly. Then I'm gonna place this right here. Exactly. So this is it. Our design is ready. All I need to do is save. But first, I think I would want to add a few things. I want to add like a smartphone. I would want to add a picture of I had to add some money images. You understand? So I could add. I think I would add. I have some money images that I want to add. I'll add this. Yeah, then I could duplicate this as well and maybe still place it right here. Nah, that's okay. Could also add this. Yes, I'm gonna add this. I'll clean the watermark from here. Then I'm going to add the other one. Clean the watermark as well. So this is it. Our flyer is ready, and I think this is really good to see. Boom. So I'm just gonna click save as image, and boom, that's it.